a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.